Hey guys, so Oukitel has just announced another rugged phone. It is called the Oukitel WP33 Pro. Honestly, I wasn't expecting any other rugged phones to be released this year, but clearly I was wrong. Anyway, in this video, we'll explore the top features of the Oukitel WP33 Pro. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the device has a unique rugged design. At the back of the phone is a module that contains 3 cameras and a flash, and on the center is a 5-watt speaker that has a max loudness of 136 decibels. That's pretty insane. And this device is the first rugged phone to be powered by the Dimensity 6100 Plus. In case you guys did not know, both the Dimensity 6100 Plus and the Helio G99 are very identical. They have the same configuration with little differences. Both processors have a clock speed of 2.2 GHz. They are both octa-core processors with 2 Cortex-A76 cores and 6 Cortex-A55 cores. And of course, both processors are built on a 6nm process, and they are paired with the same GPU, which is the Mali G57 MP2 GPU. So this processor is basically the same as the Helio G99, except for the fact that it is a 5G processor, while the Helio G99 is a 4G processor. So paired with the Dimensity 6100 Plus is 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. The device runs on the Android 13 operating system and it's the stock version. It packs a 22,000 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging. Very impressive. I mentioned earlier that the device features a triple rear camera setup, and it consists of a 64MP primary sensor, 20MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro lens, while the front facing camera is 32MP. The phone has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. Unfortunately, the refresh rate is just 60 Hz. So other features includes NFC. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It has a thickness of 27.2mm and it weighs 577.5 grams. So it's definitely a very thick and very heavy rugged phone, and that's likely because of its battery capacity. The device packs a very huge battery. I already mentioned the battery capacity earlier. Anyway, these are the top features of the Oukitel WP33 Pro. I'll definitely be comparing this 5G rugged phone with the Oukitel WP30 Pro and other 5G rugged devices. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.